open system authentication. This is one of the methods of .11 authentication and the simpler one. This is simpler than the shared key authentication because it provides authentication without performing any type of client verification. So there is no client verification done. No client verification done in this. Okay, absolutely no. It is essentially an exchange of hellos between the client and the AP. The client here and the AP here, they just exchange hellos, and that's it. That's pretty much what they do in open system authentication. It's also called a null authentication because no exchange of frames or verification of identity takes place between the devices. So open system auth is no client verification. It's absolute null authentication. There is no verification of identity between the clients and the client and the AP. And I'm sure right now you're thinking, oh, why do we even do this, right? It's absolutely of no use. But I'll uncover that a little later in the next video. Since open system auth is very simple. It's because of the simplicity that it carries, it can be used in conjunction with more advanced network security authentication types. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Open system auth works on layer 1 here. Okay, layer 1. Now since it is very simple, it can work in conjunction with more advanced network security authentication method. Means it can work with more advanced layer 2 authentication methods. Okay, like EAP authentication, for example, or .1x authentication. We will discuss about this in detail as well as we move forward in the videos. But remember this, since OpenAuth is very simple in nature, it can work fantastically in conjunction with layer 2 authentication methods, that is EAP authentication, right? And thus it is mostly implemented in the Wi-Fi world nowadays. But when you heard till here, you were like, it's null authentication, no verification of identity, why do we even need this? I'll tell you why in the next video. Okay, when we discuss and uncover shared key authentication, that's when I'm going to tell you why do we need to have OpenAuth in most of the networks. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video on shared key authentication.